So welcome to KO tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have assigned some color IDs over here. So let's just select this, let's select this all, select this, so I am just going to select this whole thing and I'll just group it once. So let's just group it first. Let's go into the material editor let's go into the material editor and I'll assign the color ID over here. So let's assign some color ID for this. So I'll assign the same color ID for this as well. Now, so as we have grouped it over here, again I'll go over here, let's select this and this, let's again go into this and let's assign one more color ID over here for this as well. So I'll go into this and I'll take a standard material and let's go into the diffuse and I'll assign some color ID over here as well. Alright, so once it is done, okay, this is left out. So for this I'll again go into this and I can assign one color ID for this as well. So keep on assigning the color IDs. So once it is done, so just check out the elements which are pending. So for this I'll give one color ID for this. Similarly, okay, I have assigned one. So if you want, I can give the same ID over here as well. For this also I'll assign the same ID over here in this way. All right, we can check it once if anything is left out. So let's again go into the material no, not this, uh, not this, this is better. So let's assign, again I have assigned this, so you can just have a look if anything is left out. Okay, this is, so let's just group this whole thing. I'll just again group this. Let's again go into the material, again I'll take one standard, let's assign one material to it. All right. So this is also pending. We'll give the same material for this as well. Select this. Let's go into the material and I'll go to the top over here. Let's assign this material to it. So once it is done, you can just cross check once. Okay, this is left out. So I'll just group it over here once again. All right. Okay, so each and every element we have assigned. You can just check it once. So once it is done, I'll just save the file once over here. Let's save the file once. Let's select the whole object over here. Let's go into file, export. So I'll just go into export and I'll go into this and I'll export it as assets for texture. So we'll take this into Substance Painter now. So you can just click OK. So we can just go into this. I'll just save the file once and let's open the application, that's Substance Painter. So let's open it. So it's going to take time. So as you can see how we have assigned the color assets, or sorry, the color IDs on this game assets over here. So once it is done, let's go into file, new, so if you want I can just close this file. So let's take a new file. I'll off this compute tangents and let's select. So don't keep this auto unwrap on. So we have already unwrapped this. So don't keep it on. Let's go into this and let's open it. So it's going to take time. So as you can see, we have lot of texture sets over here. So whatever color IDs we have defined, that will come in your texture set list. So we can assign this accordingly. We can create the materials accordingly over here and we can start working. So it's going to take time. All right. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So in the coming session, I'll show you further over here. So as you can see now, once you have imported this assets over here, it is visible in the substance painter, and also you get a big list of this IDs over here. As you can see, the different texture sets over here. So we can rename it one by one as required. So we have different texture sets for all. So as you can see now, it's a big list. So we can just check it one by one and we can start doing it. All right. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So thanks for watching this tutorial.